taking a look at the 1972 Plymouth Duster. So here we have motor coming out. It's only been about an hour or so, but just have to pull the steering column and the motor should drop out of the bottom of the car, as well as pull the drive shaft and drain the oils and exhaust, pull it. The rest of these items, heater hoses, wiring, has been disconnected to the motor. Fan shroud has come off. So this motor will be coming out and then getting lightly modified, and then it should go back in nicely. And as for the last video, you've seen the interior was put in. So the interior seats are now in. Installed the passenger armrest. The rear speakers are in. Working on getting the dash pieces finally painted and them installed. The rear end here, basically I'm getting some wheel play from left to right. So I'll be pulling the differential and axles out, checking the axle float, the backlash and whatnot again, and determining if the sure gripper end needs to get sent back to get rebuilt. Thanks for checking out Jack's Custom Restoration.